Nature and scope of biology. Class 11 Biology, easy explanation. Have you ever wondered, what exactly is biology? Why do we study plants, animals, and even tiny microbes under a microscope? Welcome to the fascinating world of biology. The science of life. In this video, we'll explore the nature and scope of biology in a simple and interesting way. Nature and scope of biology. What is science? The word science comes from the Latin word scientia, meaning knowledge. It involves systematic observation, experimentation, verification, and forming knowledge based on facts. Science has many branches, and biology is one of them. What is biology? The word biology comes from two Greek words, bios, meaning life, and logos, meaning study. So, biology is simply the study of life, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales. Biology helps us understand how living things grow, reproduce, evolve, and interact. The first biologist. It was Aristotle, the ancient Greek scientist, who is called the father of biology. Later, the term biology was introduced by Lamarck and Treviranus in the 18th century. Major branches of biology. Biology is a huge field, so it's divided into three main branches. Botany, the study of plants. Its father, Theophrastus, a student of Aristotle. Zoology, the study of animals. Father of zoology. You guessed it, Aristotle again. Microbiology, the study of tiny organisms like bacteria and viruses. Introduced by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, the first to see microbes using a microscope. Some important branches of biology. Anatomy is the study of internal structure of organisms after dissection. Biochemistry is the study of chemical processes in living organisms. Cytology is the study of structure and function of cells. Ecology is the study of relationship between organisms and environment. Embryology is the study of developmental stages of embryos. Endocrinology is the study of endocrine glands and hormones. Evolution is the study of origin and changes in life over time. Histology is the study of microscopic study of tissues. Immunology is the study of immune response and resistance to infection. Limnology is the study of freshwater ecosystems, lakes, ponds. Morphology is the study of form and external structure of organisms. Paleozoology is the study of fossils of animals. Physiology is the study of function of organs and systems. Radiobiology is the study of effects of radiation on organisms. Taxonomy is the study of classification of organisms. Specialized branches of biology. Zoogeography, animal distribution on Earth. Zoopathology, animal diseases. Bacteriology, bacteria. Virology, viruses. Bryology, mosses and liverworts. Cardiology, heart. Epidemiology, disease outbreaks. Dermatology, skin. Gerontology, aging. Gynecology, female reproductive system. Hepatology, liver. Nephrology, kidneys. Neurology, brain and nerves. Mycology, fungi. Oncology, tumors and cancer. Teratology, birth defects. Toxicology, toxins and harmful chemicals. Pathology, disease study. Hematology, blood. Ethnology, human cultures. Anthropology, human evolution. Entomology, insects. Agronomy, crops and farming. Angiology, blood vessels. Biology also has many founding figures. Let's meet some famous fathers. Fathers of various branches of biology. Father of zoology and embryology is Aristotle. Father of botany is Theophrastus. Father of genetics is G.J. Mendel. Father of evolution is Empedocles. Father of mutation is Hugo de Vries. Father of blood circulation is William Harvey. Father of medicine is Hippocrates. Father of modern genetics is W. Bateson. Father of microbiology is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Father of immunology is Edward Jenner. Biology in ancient India. Did you know India's contribution to biology is ancient and rich? Over 740 plants and 250 animals were described in old Indian texts. Animals were grouped as Jivaja, mammals. They are viviparous who give birth to baby. And Daja means oviparous, egg-laying animals like birds, reptiles, insects. Vidaja, born from sweat like worms. Bija means plants. Books like Sushruta Samhita around 600 BC and Charak Samhita laid the foundation for medicine and surgery in India. Medical science in ancient India. Two Vaidyas, Ayurvedic physicians. Dhanvantri, known as father of surgery. Sushruta, pioneer in surgery, wrote Sushruta Samhita, performed operations like rhinoplasty, nose surgery, used non-poisonous leeches for therapy. Charaka Samhita, 1000 BC, authored by Charaka during Atreya's time, focused on digestion, metabolism, immunity, etc. Nature of biology. Biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of life and living organisms. It explores their structure, function, growth, origin, evolution, and distribution. Key aspects of the nature of biology. Study of life. Biology encompasses all forms of life. Microorganisms, plants, animals, and humans. Interdisciplinary science. Connects with other branches like chemistry, biochemistry, physics, biophysics, mathematics, biostatistics, geography, ecology, technology, biotechnology. Levels of study. Molecular level, DNA, RNA, enzymes. Cellular level, cell structure, organelles. Organ and system level, organs, organ systems. Organism level, individuals. Population and ecosystem level. Scientific and experimental. Biology uses observation, experimentation, classification, and analysis, scientific methods, to understand life processes. Dynamic and evolving. New discoveries like gene editing, CRISPR, synthetic biology, and human genome sequencing continuously expand our understanding. Importance of biology in real life. Medicine and healthcare. Understanding of diseases, vaccines, organ transplants, gene therapy. Agriculture. Crop improvement, pest control, GMOs, sustainable farming. Environment. Conservation, pollution control, climate change studies. Forensics. DNA fingerprinting, crime investigation. Industrial applications. Fermentation, biofuels, biodegradable materials. Base biology. Studying life in space conditions and search for extraterrestrial life. Conclusion. Biology is the science of life. From the tiniest microbe to the complexity of the human body. Its nature is scientific and evolving, and its scope spans healthcare, environment, agriculture, and beyond. As technology advances, biology becomes more integrated with other sciences, shaping the future of humanity and the planet. Biology isn't just about facts and definitions. It helps us in medicine, agriculture, environment, genetics, space research, and more. It helps doctors cure diseases, farmers grow crops, and scientists understand evolution and life in space. In short, biology is everywhere. And if you understand biology, you understand life itself. So the next time you see a tree, a butterfly, or a drop of pond water, remember, they're all living wonders of biology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite branch of biology below. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep learning, because life is beautiful, and biology shows us why.